During our interview, Mrs. Cotton focused on the Hispanic population in her center. One of the biggest struggles Mrs. Cotton notices with families is financial problems. The parents might be working 2 to 3 jobs, but only minimum wage. They may not even have transportation. Mrs. Cotton explained to me that her center is intentional, meaning parents have to pay a small fee in order for their child to attend. This definitely helps with parental involvement as they care about their students' education. As stated in our text on page 283, low-income parents are often among the strongest supporters of education because they often see it as a means to a better life for their children. We talked a lot about understanding the bridge between home and school. Mrs. Cotton mentioned teachers may not understand why parents do not attend parent-teacher conferences. It could be many things. The parents may not be able to read or write, and there may be language barriers. I also remember many other possibilities in our text in chapter 15. As mentioned before, there are currently 46 students registered at Western Avenue. The students receive support from staff and also various volunteers to help with academics. The center allows Illinois State University students to come and tutor them. One requirement for the ISU students is that they have to try and attend each week in order to build a relationship with their tutee. She mentioned the importance of this as many kids have people going in and out of their lives all of the time. Mrs. Cotton was able to list off many supports and various programs offered to the students that attend her center. One is called Petals. This is a mentoring group for junior high and high school African American girls. Professional African American women come to talk about college and everyday life skills. They are great female role models. Another program is Bloomington City Life. A pastor comes to mentor both boys and girls in the community. When we were talking about the Hispanic students, Mrs. Cotton shared that the kids were given a card that explained their rights, in case the police were ever to pull them over or come to their house. If they are an American citizen, they have rights. I feel that Mrs. Cotton is doing great things to serve the students at her center.